इसमें आप लोग ने देख लिया कि यहाँ पे एक फुल फ्लैज क्रिकेट ग्राउंड, फुटबॉल ग्राउंड, हॉकी टर्फ और एथलेटिक्स
What do you think about Pakistan?
Thank you, sir.
The Pakistan is the very beautiful land. It's the land of the purity. It's the city of the Peshawar is the city of the flower.
Yes.
With the very empathic people, and I think it's in the future we need the peace, we need the sport for peace, we need the stay unity and the look to the future for the best world, for the best sport, and I sure for the best journalist.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Thank you, sir.
thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so much.
those sports. So I'm the president of the Aips Asia, the Asian Sports Journalism Association. So I will cooperate with the Pakistan Sports Journalism Association. So we will make a more good programs to promote the sports and sports journalism in your Pakistan.
So last question, what is your message? They want to young writers, how they play and how they do promotion of sports?
Yes, I think the sport is very. There are many images of sport, but I believe sport is always, the positive. People's happy. Sports make people happy. Sometimes we can make it cry, but usually and also make people healthy. So this you should proud of as a young journalist working in sports sections. We should be proud of our work. So keep working very hard. Hopefully you will get a good result. You will get the success in your life.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.